Pump it up.
Hello everyone, welcome to our garage and welcome to our channel again. EV is pumping now. Just wait a moment.
Working on floor today.
Yeah, because we have painted all floor and we need to wait to dry to locate our new ramp, and we are working with just one ramp at the moment. So we're 2019 model year Land Rover Discovery Sport in our garage. The car came with the engine management light, no any symptom, no any limp mode or any knocking, just engine management light. It's the common fault on 2-liter diesel Ingenium engine. It's the same Jaguars and Land Rovers. So what was our fault code? I don't remember fault code, just fault is the EGR flow.
EGR flow insufficient, and there was glow plug number 3.
Yeah, glow plug number 3. And we changed glow plugs, and we're gonna show you what's the exact problem with the EGR valve. Actually, it's a
filter.
Yeah, just filter. 20 pounds on eBay. Just filter, block due to carbon buildup, but it's located.
It's in a really bad location. You have to get to it from underneath the engine. Most people take the subframe off, but you can get to it if you know what you're doing. Right, so the filter on Evoques and Discovery Sports, because the engine is transverse, it's in a really bad location, so you have to get it from bottom. But with which engines?
Yeah, Villa, XA, XF, and the F-Pace as well.
Yeah. They're all longitudinal, so it's a bit easier, so you can do it from top. You don't really need to get to the bottom. It's at the front of the engine, so it's easy. Well, on the side of the engine. But, yeah, we've got it out now. We're going to give it a good clean. It does look like it's got some sort of... The filter normally sits right on this edge, but because of all the crud, it's kind of moved to the side, and it was still letting a little bit of airflow in, and all the soot has gone into the crease where it normally goes into. The location, so it's under here, it's right here, so it sits inside here. We could get to it. It's a bit hard to get to, but we can manage because we know where all the screws are. We know we've done it plenty of times, so we know where it goes. Most people, they do end up taking the subframe off. It does make it easier, but we don't need to. We don't need to do that. It's just more hours for nothing.
Just need
long arms.
Long arms.
And a skinny body, which is...
Yeah, and skinny body like me, yeah. Yeah, that's the problem. This is not fully EGR problem. You don't need to change all EGR valve.
If you don't change it in time.
Yeah,
well,
if you don't change in time,
you'll need to change the whole EGR.
Yeah.
You'll mess it all up.
Whole engine, I think, is a 2-liter Ingenium is a dangerous engine for owners.
No, not 2-liter. Jaguar Land.
Jaguar Land. No.
All of them.
No, I don't agree with him because I like Jaguars and Land Rovers. Thank you very much for watching our short video, and see you next time in other videos. Bye bye.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump